This type of volcano remain active for more than 60 years, which is the case. They say that the longest period of time this type of volcano should be without erupting, guess what? It's 20 years. And the last eruption was 20 years ago. So that means that we're just right on time, right on schedule. So if this volcano wants to blow up today, there's something really important that you guys need to know. And guys, run.
Alright, what's up guys? This is Mark with Nicaragua with Marc. I'm with Leon and we're about to go volcano boarding. So this volcano boarding is at this volcano called Cerro Negro. It's the youngest volcano in Nicaragua, and now El Negro goes to Setna. But yeah, so we're going to do this volcano boarding thing. It's one of the 10 things that CNN claims you need to do before you die in the world, and it's here in Nicaragua. So if you come into Nicaragua, this is one of the places you have to visit, and hopefully we don't die going down this volcano. So see you guys in the show. Alright, what's up guys? This is Mark with Nicaragua with Marc. We're at the bottom of this fucking volcano, and I honestly don't know how I feel about shit, because I did this like 4 years ago and I don't remember it looking that big. But I love you, Granny. If I die, I don't know. Have a good one. Peace.
My dear friends, finally here we are. This is the one that we're gonna be hiking up today. This, guys, is the youngest volcano in Central America, the second youngest in the continent, and it's the highest and the most active cinder cone volcano in the world. The name of this volcano is Cerro Negro, guys. It normally takes an hour to get to the top. Always depends how fast we hike. We'll be stopping 2 times on the way up, and I will be giving you some orientations and some history about this volcano and about this tour.
Alright, so what's up motherfuckers? This is Mark from Nicaragua with Marc. And we're here with 2 Canadians. And what's your name?
Stu.
Stu.
Dylan.
So this motherfucker just told us we're gonna die because the volcano is about to blow up. How do you feel about that?
I just feel bad for the motherfuckers up there. Like, I mean, the little ant looking like up on top of that goddamn mountain. You know what I mean?
What do you expect? What do you expect from this?
Are you carrying?
I gotta roll down from the.
Okay.
No.
I mean, I'm gonna get halfway, and then I'm just gonna tumble down.
No, like seriously.
I feel like I'm gonna fall off 17
I'm dead ass.
times.
I mean,
You're not athletic.
Yeah. I'm gonna be like, yo, I'm gonna take this board. I'm just gonna take the wind and the board and just get my ass back down to the bus.
Just gonna parasail over.
Yeah.
So now, make sure and record these guys coming down, and then take their reaction as soon as they hit the bottom.
Yeah.
As soon as we're in the hospital.
Alright, what's up guys? This is Mark from Nicaragua with Marc. We just came back from the volcano boarding. I'm tired as fuck. I'm dirty as fuck. I ate a lot of sand, but it was epic. I came down the volcano at 45 kilometers an hour. Yeah, some of the guys, the fastest time was 62. The slowest time was one of our team members, 16. But we had a lot of fun. So we did volcano boarding with Bigfoot. one of the companies that the company that started the volcano boarding, and they gave us free beer, free water, free fruits at the place, and now we go into the hostel to get more free beer and mojitos. So have a good one, guys. Subscribe to our channel, like my video. This is one of the most epic experiences here in Nicaragua, so I hope that you come and enjoy this, and have a good one. We're going to drink some mojitos. Peace.